Hey friends, I'm serious right now. Enrollment closes July 1st, so watch this to find out more about this exciting new trend. And be first for once. If you've been using MidJourney, or even just watching what people are doing with it, this is the moment we've been waiting for. MidJourney video is finally here. And this course? It's one of the first out there showing you exactly how to turn your MidJourney images into stunning, scroll-stopping videos without needing to be a video editor, a motion designer, or a tech wizard. It's called the MidJourney Video Jumpstart, and it's only $12.99. Yeah, you heard that right, $12.99. But here's the catch. Enrollment closes on July 1st. After that, it's gone. Or at the very least, it's going to cost you a whole lot more when it reopens. So why is this such a big deal? Look at these clips that are on this video. They are so amazing. Use stickers, use any image you have and turn it into video. These gorgeous animations were created in seconds. Using MidJourney images you already have. You upload, you tweak a few settings. Boom. Cinematic, animated content ready for YouTube Shorts, TikToks, Reels, and beyond. Now, who is this for? Basically, if you're a creative, a seller, or a storyteller, this is for you. Clip art and sticker sellers. Imagine your products in motion. Printable sellers make your Etsy listings come alive. Wall art designers show customers what your work looks like on the wall in a frame with vibe. Coloring book creators preview your books with animated flip-throughs. Junk journal ephemera, total game changer. KDP creators, now you can market your books with video instead of static covers. Pod sellers, add emotional depth to your mock-ups. Graphic novelists, artists, authors, turn static scenes into living moments. Musicians, use your MidJourney art to generate trippy lyric videos and music promos in minutes. Seriously, if you use video in your business, your marketing, your teaching, or your side hustle, this course is a no-brainer. And did I mention it's just $12.99? This is your Jumpstart. It's quick, it's easy, and it's built specifically for creators who don't want to mess around with hours of editing. Enrollment closes on July 1st, and when it comes back, it's going to cost way more. So don't wait. Click the link, grab your seat, and let's bring your MidJourney images to life.